Come on, a little bit.
Nice.
That's a family member.
Way to go.
Touch of the family, not
That's what I
her.
Way to
said. That's
go.
where I was like,
Did anybody say something to her?
no. I think Scott did. Didn't Scott say something to her?
He said, well, we're not going to be dealing with that right now. Maureen.
And she stopped.
Yeah. Very good.
On my way, sorry, I'm late getting some gas on Wienenbrunn. Oh, she said. What day is it? Friday? I don't know who's in charge of the shelter.
Nice.
I was someone to work and they're telling you. Oops.
Can you do the cloud?
Thank you.
The cloud up here? Do the cloud? Nice. Perfect. Perfect. Let's see. How about his shirt? We'll do his shirt. Okay? Can you do green on the shirt? Yeah? Yeah. Do green on the shirt. Awesome. Way to go.